So guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am here in my field and here I am going to tell you again that how can you become fluent English. I know so many people they are learning English, but sometimes most of the people they get stuck. They start thinking that how can I improve my English, because it has been long period of time since I started learning, but I haven't improved yet. Yeah, it happens that sometimes we feel dejected, sometimes we feel, oh my god, I'm not able to speak, though I have learned grammar, though I have spent this much time, that much time, money, so many things, but however I'm not able to speak English. Actually the way they learn English is like, I don't know how they learn English, but it's totally, I think, different the way they learn English. If I talk about my English journey, so let me tell you what I did. I didn't do anything. I just learned some structure in grammar, such as I completed some topic like step by step. Such first thing first, I completed tenses, then passive, then causative, then modal, then conditional, like all kind of structure. And before learning like so many structure, I started practicing by myself. Wherever I went and whenever I got time, I spoke by myself. That okay, like so many things I'm not going to tell you that what I spoke, but yes, sometime I started narrating stories, and sometime I started describing my feeling and my friends feeling, so many things. Guys, you have lots of things to talk. I don't know why you all are looking forward, looking for any partner to practice, but you are enough. See, you have this smartphone in your in your hand. You can take advantage of social media. If you have a smartphone in this era, so you have everything: teacher, trainer, environment, friends, all the things. Yeah, but you have to know how to use my mobile. So guys, if I were you, so I would try to learn English by myself. I would never ever ask that, okay sir, please tell me how to I improve English, and okay let me watch some videos so that I can get idea how to become fluent English. This is another thing, guys. All the people are going to tell you different things. That okay, some of them tell that okay, you should read, you should write, you should speak, you should listen, and you should watch movie, you should do this, you should do that, lots of things. Guys, of course you are going to feel bored after listening them. You just say, okay my god, what should I do? So do nothing. Let me tell you what you have to do. First thing first, of course you have to figure out that what kind of grammar you have, and if you have this much grammar, so do nothing, start speaking by yourself. With the help of tenses, you can describe anything. You can describe your past, you can describe your present and future. So after knowing this thing, try to know your interest, that whether you like reading, whether you like listening, or you watch, whether or you like watching movies. If you like watching movies, so start watching movies in English. One day I got to know my interest, that my interest was watching horror movies. So I thought, okay, if my interest is watching horror movies, so let me watch in English so that I can utilize my time. And since then, I started learning. I started watching English movies. Guys, after doing this thing, just start speaking without caring about anything. Don't think that okay, I how can I speak by myself? What should I do? How do I find topic? How can I talk? Of course, find topic like me. Suppose whenever I want to practice, so I find topic by myself. Suppose yesterday I needed 2,000 rupees, and 2 months ago I bought a car, and day before yesterday my friend he fought with a boy. And so guys, like this you can choose any topic. So guys, I'm going to show you after choosing any kind of topic, how will you talk. Suppose I'm going to choose one of them topic. Maybe, yes, my friend fought with a boy. So on this situation I'm going to speak. Let me tell you how. You don't need any partner to practice. You are enough to practice, to enhance your fluency, to sharp your tongue and mind. So let me tell you how to practice. So my topic is uh, okay, 2 days ago my friend fought with a boy. So guys, now I'm going to tell you how to practice on this situation. So 2 days ago I was having tea. It was morning time. My mobile was on the table, and all of a sudden my mobile started ringing. So I received the call. So my friend was on the call. My friend's name is Subham. I asked, "Hey Subham, hello, how are you?" He said to me, "Yes, I'm fine, but Gyanen, there is a problem." I asked, "What kind of problem?" He said to me, what happened? Uh, Today I beat a boy, and he told me that I will beat you tomorrow. So I asked him, "Why did you beat that boy?" My friend said to me, "Actually, I beat him because I was playing in the park. All of a sudden, he came and he asked me, 'Go from here,' because my friend and I, we all are going to play here." Then I said to him, "Why? Of course, this is not your own park. This is a public park, so anyone can play here. So I'm also playing here." But he didn't listen to me and he started beating me. So that is why I also beat him brutally. Then he started crying and went from there. And before going, he said, I will get you beaten by, I will get you beaten tomorrow." And he threatened me and he went from there. So what should I do? I said, "Okay, okay, don't worry, don't do anything. Let's see what will happen." So guys, after that, my friend and I, we both next day went to park, and I saw that boy along with four boys. They were holding, uh, some of them holding like chain, some of them holding like knife. So I reached there, and my friend saw, and seeing them, he started shivering that, "Gyanen, look at that boy. He is so dangerous. Today he came along with his friends, and uh, look at his friends. They have some kind of uh, like uh, so many weapons." I said, "Okay, let me face them." Then I went there and I asked that boy, "Hey, what happened? Why are you looking at us like this?" He said, "Oh, mister, I don't want to talk to you. Just bugger off from here. Actually, I want to beat this guy named Subham." I said, "Hey, mister, he is my friend. Why will you beat him?" He said, "It's none of your business. I'm telling you. Otherwise, you will also be beaten by me." I said, "Hey, mister, don't uh, hold your tongue. Otherwise, you all will be beaten by me." He said, "Oh, you are going to beaten us. You are going to beat us. Okay, let me. I think you don't know who I am. I think, mister, even you don't know who I am. Have you ever seen me like this? I have come here to protect my friend, and today I will teach you lesson that who we are here." Then he like pointed his friend and he said, "Okay, beat them and tell them who we are." Then his friend, they just came along with like chain, iron chain, and some stick knife. Then I started beating them. I beat them brutally, and then they ran away from there. And when that boy left, he started folding his hand. He said, "Okay, Gyanen, please leave me, forgive me. Actually, it was my mistake. Yeah, it was my mistake. I beat your friend. Actually, I didn't want to beat your friend. Please let me go. Don't beat me." I said, "Okay, this time I'm leaving you, but never dare uh, beat anyone next time. This is a public park. Everyone can." Then I said, "Okay, now this time I'm leaving you. So go from here." Then he went from there, and my friend got happy and he said thank you to me. He said, "Okay, thank you so much." I said, "Okay, okay, it's okay because I'm your friend. Being a friend, I must help you." Then everything got normal. So guys, like this you can practice. I haven't planned before speaking that, okay, you must be thinking that you must have practice on this topic, that is why you are able to speak. But nothing like this, because I have been speaking for long period of time. That is why if you speak, you can also speak. Just what you have to do, you have to start from somewhere else. Until you start, how can you speak? So start, no matter whether you are starting with uh, grumbling words and you are getting stuck, but yes, you have to start. Sooner or later you are going to speak like me. It's my promise. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm here to motivate you, guide you, and increase your fluency. Bye.